So today we are going to talk about BMR. Okay, very important topic. BMR. What is BMR? First is what is BMR? Second is factors affecting BMR. Third, importance of BMR. How to calculate BMR. So these four things today we will cover in our class. So let's start. BMR. BMR. B means basal, M means metabolic, R means rate. Basal metabolic rate. What is basal metabolic rate? So when we take food, okay, we take food, it enters in our body, digestion will happen, then absorption will happen, then it will enter into portal circulation, then enter into main circulation. Okay. So this is when digestion process stop. There is no food in stomach. Okay. From the process of absorption to the main circulation, your body, how much amount of required energy is known as BMR. Okay. To sustain the normal function of the whole body. Okay. So this is called BMR. So in this condition, your body temperature is normal. Okay. And you have minimum 8 hours of sleep or 12 hours of fasting. But it is in theory part. Okay. Nowadays, BMR calculator available. Okay. So if you do along with this, you will get exact value. What exact value? How much amount of energy, required energy to your body? Okay. After absorption till uh, doing sustained function of the body. Now, what I am doing, my heart is beating, heartbeat, lungs, respiration. There is no food in my stomach because I ate food 5 hours ago. So it means digestion have completed. Okay. Respiration happening. I am giving, I am teaching, and my temperature is normal. Everything is that. So now I will check the BMR. You will get exact value. Okay. So for teaching, for respiration, for heartbeat, for writing, these are the normal things, not excessive things. How much of energy required for to do all these things is known as BMR. Okay. So I hope you understood about BMR. What is BMR? Okay. Next is factor affecting BMR. So there are different things related BMR. Okay. Age, in some children, the BMR required amount of energy is more than old person. Okay. In the female, required less energy, and male required more energy. Sometimes opposite. Sometimes male required less energy, female required more energy. Body composition means how much weight, everything matters. Okay, and body size. Okay, if a person is obese, he required more energy. If a person is lean, required less energy, less metabolic rate, basal metabolic rate. And genetics means by birth, some person required, even we calculate energy, even though they required large amount of energy. Okay, and hormonal levels, hormonal levels means if a person having diabetic, if a person have hypothyroidism, required more consumption of carbohydrates or energy to do normal functioning, normal to sustain the energy. Okay, if he doesn't, patient doesn't have diabetic or hypothyroidism, means he required normal amount of energy. Okay, health condition, in some diseases you need more BMR, like cancer, proteinous food, vegetables, minerals, everything. All because of chemotherapy, radiotherapy, whatever doctor will decide they will do. But during that process, he need more energetic food. Okay, like fever. In the fever also, your body becomes very weak. Okay, so at that condition, you need more food, more BMR. Okay, if a person is healthy, he have normal BM. He require normal amount of BMR. Okay, and some environmental causes. Okay, you can see that most of the tropical areas. Okay, or you can see in the urban areas compared to villages. Okay, so we in the village, they work very hardly. They have hard work, so they need more energy. Okay, sometime diet. The person is taking a large amount of diet from his childhood, so he need more BMR. Physical activity, exercises. If a person is uh, athletic or sportsman, he need more physical activity. He will do exercise, where vigorous exercise, hard exercises. Okay, all these thing matters. So the BMR is different from other person, basis of this thing. Okay, but minimum amount required already we discussed. Okay, what is the minimum amount required? 1875 kilocalories. Okay, so this is the minimum amount, but some factors are affecting. We discussed these all things. So okay, importance of BMR. What is the importance of BMR? You can do four things. One is how much required amount of energy you will know. Required amount of energy you will know. Okay, I required 1500 kilocalories, so we'll eat that much amount, not less than, not more than that. So our body weight will maintain. Okay, if you take 1600, means 100 calories extra, it will store in our body. So it will become fat, glycogen. Okay, so you have fixed idea. So what you will do with that thing, you will maintain your weight. If you want to weight loss, then this is the best thing. Required amount is 15 calories, 1500 calories. Your weight is more than that. So what you will do, you will reduce the amount of calories. You will take 1300 from your diet. So weight loss is very good from this BMR. Weight gain, if you know the weight, if your required amount is 1500, but you are taking 1700 kilocalories, means 200 you are going to store in your body. So you will able to weight gain easily. You can weight gain. Okay, weight gain is also very easily. Weight loss, weight gain maintains weight required amount of energy. Okay, so these are the four things, three things already explained. Now, how to calculate BMR? So, how much amount of uh, BMR means calories required to our body? Okay, we have a formula. First, I will show you the formula, but it is not 100% accurate. Okay, less than, more than, we can assume that 80 to 90% is the probability, but you will get to know that this much amount of carbo energy we require, calories we required. Okay, you have two calculators. One is in Google itself. We have BMR calculator. Will know. Next is formula. Some books are given the formula. I am writing here. For men, you have to multiply with 10 weight, weight in kgs. Okay. So if anyone want to know their BMR, please in the chat box send the weight. Mixed height plus 6.25 into height. Height, you have to know the height in centimeters. Next, minus 5 into age plus 5. Okay. Like example, if a man of 30 years, okay, his age, height is 175 centimeters, weight is 70 kgs. So how you have to calculate? Okay, 10 into weight, how much weight? 70 kgs plus 6.25 into height, how much height? 175 minus 5 into age, 30 plus 5. Okay, this is 700. Now we have to calculate 175 into 6.25. So we'll say the 6.25 into 175. 1093. How much? 1093. Here we have to add it minus this. 5 into 30, 150, 155 plus 5, 155. So total is 700 plus 1093 minus 155. So let's check. 700 plus 1093, 1793 minus 155. So he required 1638. Okay, how much kilocalories? 1638 kilocalories on daily basis. So it's very easy. But for female, okay, in all the same, but in that place you have to here minus 16. Okay, means minus 16. Here 5 into 30, 150. 150 minus 16, how much? Here we will get 140, 150 minus 60, 16, 134. So here we ought to do, if it is female, what will happen? 700 plus 1093, okay, minus 134. She required 1659. 1659 more calories. Okay, so this is about the formula what I gave with the accurate 90% in and around. So now we'll see in the calculator, basal metabolic rate calculator. Mm, so this is the calculator, BMR calculator. So here, BMR calculator is given. So units are giving US units, metric units, other units. But you have to go into metric units. Okay. Age, you have to write here age. What the age the person is, 30 years, male. His height 175 centimeters, weight 70. Now calculate here. So how much he required? 1649. What we did here? 1638. So 10 10% what? So here extra amount also given. If he is sedentary, no exercise, much he will do his work, okay, his homework, everything. Home means home work. Okay, he required 1900, 79 calories. If you do exercise, he required 2200, 67. He required, if you do exercise 4 to 5 days a week, 2400. If he do intense exercise 3 to 4 times a week, 2556. 1 week exercise 2876. Physical job 3133. So you have to remember this. So you can go that with BMR calculator. So you have all other also body fat calculator, okay, and calorie calculator. But here you have to know the weight, height, okay, activity. So same here given. I will calculate here. 30 male, 175, 70 kgs here. Example. So moderate exercise. So this is the thing. So if you want to maintain the 70 kgs, you need to take 2415. Mild weight loss, you need 2165. Weight loss, 1915. Extreme weight loss, 1415. Okay, so this is about your calorie calculator and the BMR calculator, everything. So I think you understood and you will apply your patients to tell them that weight loss is very, if she or he is want to weight loss, you can explain weight gain, you can explain to maintain the body, you need to explain all these things. Any doubts, kindly ask.